Hi, my name is Emma and I'm a volunteer museum educator here at Wheatland. Today we're going to be talking about the dining service during Yuletide season. So let's step into the dining room and take a seat. Situated at each place setting on the dining room table is a popular mid-Victorian treat, Christmas crackers. These are festive table decorations that made a cracking noise when pulled apart. Once pulled, small toys, candy, or strips of paper with jokes would fall out. Usually, two dinner guests would hold either side of the cracker and pull it apart. The Christmas cracker was originally created by Tom Smith, a London-based confectioner and baker in the 1840s. On a trip to Paris, he discovered the French bonbon, a sugared almond wrapped in a twist of tissue paper. Bonbons proved a hit during the holidays. The inspiration to add the explosive pop was supposedly sparked by the crackling sound of a log fire. Smith patented his first cracker device in 1847 and perfected the mechanism in the 1860s. Buchanan dined in the common Victorian-era dining service called service à la Russe, or in the Russian style. One characteristic of this service included having menus at each place setting, which Miss Hetty, the head housekeeper, would write. They listed the various courses that guests could expect to enjoy for a particular meal. For Yuletide meals in particular, dishes that might be on the menu include roast turkey, oysters, and mince pies. Other key characteristics of service à la Russe include place settings that include everything that would be needed for the meal, a fully prepared courses served by waiters in sequential order, and a floral arrangement at the center of the table, which would be festive seasonal finds for Yuletide. One special touch that began a practice here at Wheatland was to greet his guests before the meal. He would remain standing to welcome each guest to the meal before being the last to sit down.